A forest no different to any other at first glance, but here lies the grave of one of Wales's best known. He was once a British Prime Minister, and who knows, perhaps one or two world-changing decisions were made under these very trees. The village of Llanystumdwy, home of David Lloyd George. He was raised in this house, which is now open to the public. And within a stone's throw away, a museum that has all the history of his interesting life. Today, the area continues to spur world interest, with one local boy organising an extravagant music festival annually, attracting big names such as Boyzone, Cerys Matthews, as well as Girls Aloud. This year, Cor Glanithwy of Last Choir Standing fame performed. The world-famous opera singer from Pantglas, Bryn Terfel, who is at home on some of the world's most famous stages, but also loves to come home. Next time you're out enjoying the vast talent this area has to offer, who knows, it may be the next Amy Duffy or Tom Jones performing to you. Welcome to the land of song. Croeso I Wlad y Gân.